what's going on, guys? This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. In the description below, I'm going to leave a link to my website where you can get some good deals on some tools. And there's also a form there to fill out. If you're working on a vehicle and you need some information on it, you fill out the form, shoot it to me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hey, in the comments below, let me know what your favorite kind of car is and what kind of repair videos you guys like. Working on a 1998 E354 van. Customer's complaint, blower motor is not working. This is the wiring diagram to it right here. This is your fuse box relay. This is your hot fuse that goes to the blower motor. Correctly here, that we checked that and that was definitely hot. This is your resistor that the customer replaced right here. And this is your switch right here. What happens is it gets a ground signal through here, comes out of here, goes into the blower motor. That's for the high, medium, and low. Each one is a different type of level of resistance, and that's what makes the blower go different speeds. After looking at the wiring diagram, I went to the resistor outside and took some readings off it. The hot side was fine, the ground side was getting a bad signal, and this is what we came up with. The dash just snaps in with these clips right here. So we remove the dash back, we pulled out the selector switch that's held in with 3 screws, and remove the blower switch. This is what we found. If you look back here, you can see it is burnt slam up, and that's why it wasn't working. It got so hot it even melted the plug, so we're gonna have to replace the pigtail. Once we get this done, the system will be up and running just fine. This is the part number to the pigtail, and this is the part number to the switch in the dash for the blower motor. And this is what the new pigtail looks like, and the new switch. And as you can see, it's a big difference in the old switch. This is a burnt slam up. Alright, this is what it looks like after we got the new wiring harness in. Much better. This is in the low position. It's 3.1 volts. The test light is hooked to the positive side, and it's the negative side over here. So we're checking the ground going into the blower motor. Stick it on high, Billy. When he switches it to high, go to low.